Folks will often ask me, what about storage? Okay, so I strongly discourage storage. Strongly discourage that. Like, I can't say that enough, okay? Because what I will tell you happens is that people will go and spend a ton of money to rent storage units. They put the stuff in there, and then, you know, years later, after they've happily, the storage place has happily taken your credit card and charged you every single month, and it's not cheap. It can be anywhere from, you know, $100 to $300, depending on where it is and how big it is, and the type of storage. And in the end, you still don't usually end up with it. And what I also will tell folks is, it really depends on why you're storing. So let's say that you have an opportunity to sell your house and you don't know where you're going yet, and you're okay with maybe hanging out or going to Florida for 3 months or something. That kind of small kind of overlap is a great use of storage space. Okay? But if you're doing it, say, because your grandkids are graduating from college in another 4 or 5 years, and you are sure that they are going to want your stuff when they get out, because, you know, they aren't going to have anything and they're going to need to fill an apartment, I can assure you, best thing, you figure that math out and you write them a check. And they will love you way more for that than for the guilt of trying to have to take all the stuff.